baby. New handle grips. New handle grip mirrors, because I don't like looking out of these. That one needs to be adjusted. I just finished putting on the new Pro Taper grips. So those are on there now. And I just put a brand new cluster in this thing. Look at that. All shiny and great. Pow! Sea-Doo East. Let's go. Same spot I go every year to watch them. So this time we got Jem with us. Hi, babe. Hi. Boom. I always go here every year to watch them. Those are the low ones. Unfortunately, you can't really see those too well, but the big boomers go way up over, I forget what that ride is. There it is. Boom. Happy Memorial Day, everybody.
Happy Memorial Day. We are on the water. RPM gauge working good. Still haven't figured out my fuel level light, but it doesn't matter. We're not going to be hauling ass or anything. So, all right, you ready, babe? Someday you'll learn from me. Just tuck it in the front of your life vest for now, one of these little things like that, if you can. See him? Right there. Yeah. There's a whole pot of them. That's awesome.
Wow, they're all over. Yeah.
Look at them.
I'm sure my camera has water all over the front of it. I'm gonna turn this off for a sec so we can see what's going on. And if I can find that fucking rag, clean this off. Can you clean off my camera quickly? Got it? Yeah, look at the dolphins. They're not even that far from us. Oh, they're coming over. Oh, shit. Oh, they're totally coming over to us. Oh, yo, babe. Babe.
This is awesome.
They're totally coming right up to us. No, no, no. Unless they interact. Oh my God.
They never get this close.
3.
Oh,
4.
shit. Oh my God, where'd he come from? Oh, that's crazy.
4. 5.
Holy cow. Guys, I can't explain it. They're 10 feet from the... Oh my God.
Baby.
They're so cute. Hi. They are right in front of us.
It's gonna pop up.
Yeah, they stayed low for a while there. Aww. I'm kid you not, they were 10 feet in front of us. Wow.
Awesome.
That's amazing. All right, from here, so guys, that's Egmont Key. You can see the old lighthouse. It was a lot of wave pounding to get from there to here, but we accomplished it. And now we're very, very close to our destination. We actually have to go on this side of Egmont, and then we're gonna go around. That's Anna Marie Island over there. That's Sunshine Skyway Bridge, and that is St. Pete Clearwater back there. So I've got my navigation up. It's getting a little beat up. These are the waves coming across here were like 3-foot rollers easily, 3 or 4 foot rollers. So yeah, it was interesting getting over here. Anyways, let's go. You ready?
Yeah, that was
Yeah, buddy. Alright guys, so this is where we're actually going to be doing some diving. Right now they actually have an Island Time Tours boat over there, so I think we're going to start with these over here. Is that okay?
Yeah.
That's fine? Alright. So I'm going to sneak to the other side of these, and then we're going to take my anchor and put it up on land there so that it holds the boat in place. I need to stand up so I can make sure I'm not going to hit anything. I see my depth on here. It's telling me my depth currently, but I need to stand up and see what's going on here. Thank you, babe. What's up, pelicans? What's up?
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Everybody sour like a lemon tree. I'm just smiling down upon my enemies. Do the shit I love it on a daily. Say you hate your job, but you'll never leave, never leave. But that ain't gonna be me, that ain't gonna be me. My brother called me up, said he saw me on TV. I said it wasn't easy, but right now I'm living breezy. Build this engine from the ground up, now my hands, they ain't so greasy, feel me? Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Illuminate my future bright, so thankful for everything. Rejuvenating my inner light as I work hard for all I need. Open arms, embracing life and all of which you gave to me. Hard work, it pays off, I'm happy now, it's paying me. Close my eyes sometimes and feel as if I blow away. I love the life I live and enjoy the ride along the way. I'll make a living out of living, yeah, that's what I say. I got one life to live and I wouldn't live in no other way.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Yeah, Van Gogh, my earlobe. I can't hear, I'm here though. I may be a weirdo, but this is my year, yo. My life may be crazy. My lack of the lazy has let me do shit that I love on the daily. Daily, daily. Get to do the shit I love upon a daily. Daily, daily. Everybody go and live your daydreams up. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Big old ship there, boy. Pull this down, please. There you go. No dolphins in front of that one. Still pretty cool.
What's up, jet ski princess? What you doing? Mike and Ike's on the back of the ski? Wow, big baller over here. Yeah, we're at the key. There's the lighthouse. You guys can see it from here. There's a lot of boats at Egmont Key today. Oh man, her and that cough drives me nuts. We gotta figure out what that's about. Grr. Alright, well, we burned about 3 gallons of gas getting out here. It's going to be 3 getting back. We're looking at 6 gallons to get back. That's a good haul. We've put quite a few miles on the ski already today, so. But. We're stopped to have a little bit of food and drink, so that's what she's doing. She's enjoying herself now. And those new handle grips I put on there, boy, they feel good. They feel good. I love those pro tapers. That was, and these side view mirrors. Yep, that's the way to go. I gotta stop at a car wash on the way back so that we can spray this thing off and get all the salt off of it so it doesn't corrode and eat through everything. So, we're about to get underway though. Start heading back.
Alright, we are back at boat ramp. Man, you can see all the salt all over this thing, boy. Woo! There's my truck. We're just gonna line it right up with the slip. A fun day. Fun day. Yeah. Good.
Loaded up, battery's almost dead.
We had fun. Jet ski's loaded. Yeah, she's finally eating her Crustable or whatever, 7-Eleven Crustable. So yeah, it's a good time. Choppy, man. Some of those waves were 3.5, 4 foot. They were good sized waves. So it was pretty sketch out there at a few points, but totally worth it. I'm sure I got a lot of sun today near the end. I feel a little red, which is good. That's what I wanted. I wanted a little sun today. Everything has got salt all over it, so on the way back I gotta stop somewhere and hit a car wash so we can spray all the salt off and clean the jet ski real good. So, but that's it. Fun. All right, toodles.